Hi everyone, it's Denise from Denise Rich's Art and Design. Project number 3 is this metal tray I picked up for $2.50. First, I remove the labels with my heat gun and a scraping tool. The heat melts the glue on the labels and they just peel right up. Next, I'm going to give it 2 coats front and back of this Waverly chalk paint in the color Plaster. I think I actually did 3 coats on the front because the metal was kind of bleeding through. This tray to look a little worn and distressed, so I'm using my little finger sander and I'm sanding in the raised areas and the edges just to give it a worn look. After I've cleaned off all the dust from sanding, I'm going to be going over it with 1 coat of this clear wax. And the last step is to apply some type of antiquing wax. I'm using Waverly Antique Wax, and I'm going to apply 1 coat on the front and the back and just rub off until I get the look that I'm wanting. And here is the finished tray. Here's one more look at all 3 finished projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.